Hello students, very good morning. This is our English grammar class and gender nouns we have completed. You all have written in this textbook and scramble words and this filling the blanks. So today we will start with lesson number 4, that is plurals. Plurals. What is plurals? The word used when the things are more than one, singular and plurals. Now see, a tree has many parts. Name some parts of a tree that are. In a tree, what is a one and what is more than one? Can you tell me? One is the main trunk of a tree. You must have seen. See this. This is the trunk. This is only one trunk. And more than one. What are more than ones? Leaves, branches. These are more than one. So what we are doing? We put S. When the things are more than one, we use S. And that is known as the plurals. Now look at the picture and read their names. Pay attention to the letters in green. Now see. A baby. Babies. Lady. Ladies. Toy. Toys. Key. Keys. Now in first picture, what spelling is that? B-A-B-Y. And here B-A-B-I-E-S. Why I-E-S? Can you tell me? See, whenever we are using plural names, the nouns which are ending from Y, we put I-E-S. I-E-S. Why? Because before Y, it is a consonant. If there is a, I am taking toy, if O is there, vowels are there, then we just put simply toys, S, only S. But when apart from vowels there is other letters, we put I-E-S. Lady, ladies. Only some letters are there where we put I-E-S. See, key, keys. E is there, vowel. The letters in green have been added to change the number of the nouns. A noun that refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing is a plural noun. The plural of a word ending with a consonant is formed by changing Y to I and adding ES. This example: baby, babies, city, cities. The plural of a word with a vowel before Y is formed by adding S. If vowels are there, we just put simply S. And if vowels are not there, if consonants are there, we put I-E-S. So you can also form plurals of many nouns by adding S to the singular noun. These are the some examples. Family, families. Party, parties. Donkey, donkeys. See here. We will only put S here. Okay. So you write these answers. Next is, you can also form the plurals of many nouns by adding ES to nouns ending with S, double S, SH, O, CH or X. For example, see, if only S is there, bus, we have to add ES. And if SH is there, we have to add bushes. See, ES. Tomato, tomatoes. Box, boxes. Some nouns ending with O form their plural by adding only S. In some words, some nouns, we just have to put simply S. See, radio, radios. Photo, photos. Now here one passage is given and we have to change the underlined nouns into plurals. First sentence, yesterday all the animal in the zoo. Animal, animals. In second sentence, monkey, monkeys. Third, giraffe, box. Giraffe, giraffes. And box, boxes. Understood? You have to write in this way. Only underline words you have to change into plurals. Now listen carefully to what George and his friends bought. Circle the things they bought. Then write their plural form. You have to write the plural forms of these things. So read the paragraph I have sended you. And with the help of that paragraph, you have to circle the things they have bought and write their plural forms. This is the role play dialogue. You have to read it. You can read with your partner. In this dialogue, words are mentioned in plural and singular forms. So you read this. Next is say, look at the picture, describe the picture by answering the questions. So in this box, some things are being kept. Now here some questions are given and we have to write the answers here. First, say, what do you see on the top shelf? On top shelf, answer is given. The top shelf is full of dolls. Now second, what dresses are the dolls wearing? We have to write here. Which type of what dresses are dolls wearing? You have to write. Which types of dresses are they wearing? What do you see on the right side of the second shelf? Right side, this of the second shelf. Right side is buses are there. So you have to write, there are 2 buses on the right side of the second shelf. What are the things on the left side of the second shelf? What do you think they have in them? Now what are the things on the left side? This is the left side. What are the things on the second shelf, left side? These are some boxes. And they are on the left side. And what do you think they have in them? What must be the things on these boxes? You have to write in the answer. Okay, so write these question answers up to here and show me.